Hi friend, today I want to explain you number between square of number. What is the today's topic related it? Number between square of numbers. So if we will discuss 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So between these how many numbers are there? Between these how many numbers are there? Between these how many numbers are there? And between these how many numbers are there? So if you will see between 1 and 4 there are how many numbers are there? Are 2 numbers are there. How many numbers are there? Between 1 and 2, 2 numbers are there. Now if you will see between 2 and 3 how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. So here between it 2 numbers, here between it 4 number. Now here if you will see properly how many numbers are there? 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many numbers are there? 8 numbers are there. So if you will understand properly or if you will see properly what is the techniques to find out here. Now it is very difficult to see that every time we cannot write all the numbers between 25 and 36. But now from it we can know that. So now between 1 and 2, question is between 1 and 2. I am writing it here. Question is between 1 and 2. So if 1 and 2. So first number is what? 1. So we have to write 2n. So 2 into 1. So 2 number is there. Now between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. Now how many numbers are there if we want to find out? Then formula is 2n. So I have to write 2 into 2. That is 4 numbers are there. Now between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So what I have to write? Formula 2n. Now 2 into 3. First number we have to take. So 2 and n means what? First number. So 3 2s are 6. Now you can check that here 2 number is there. If you say here 2 number is there, we say that here it is 2. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 number is there. Here it is 4 numbers are there. So here it is again 4. Now how many here number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6. So now we can understand it's a basic, it's a formula you have to remember 2n. Someone ask how many number between two number, just you have to ask which number you want. So if you, I will ask to you between 11 and 12. Between 11 and 12 square means 11 square and 12 square. How many numbers are there? So 11 2s are 22. 22 numbers are there. All are non-square number. So this is the basic rules. Again I explained. First I delete everything and then I am explaining you that what is a trick to remember it. Formula is 2n. Here we have completed all the things. If you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5 they are explaining. But always remember formula is 2n. So here between 1 and 2, 2 number is there. So again 2 into 1. So here it is answer is 2. Now between 2 and 3. So 2 into n. So here 2n. 2n. So 2n formula is okay. One more examples are given at here. If you will see properly. 5 square 4 square, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So between them 8 non-square numbers are there. So we know that 4 to 8, 4 into 2, formula is 2n. So 8 numbers are between 16 and 25. Okay. So always remember that question is, now is one question is there, that how many numbers between 6 square and 7 square. So always 6 into 2, that is 12 numbers are between 6 square and 7 square. So if I want to check that 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. So between 36 and 49, how many non-perfect square number are? 12. Let me see that. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Now we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What is a, you have to remember anyhow, formula is 2n. Always remember formula is 2n. So this is a one trick that we can find out. It should be in exercise 8.1. In exercise 8.1 there are such type of question. So now one question is, try this. How many natural number lies between 9 square and 10 square? So if I will write here 9 square, 9 square and 10 square. 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Now 9 into 2 formula is 2n. So 2 into 9. How many numbers are there? 18 numbers are there. How many natural number? Only how many? So you have to say answer is 18 numbers, natural numbers are there. One more question, 11 square and 12 square. So now 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. Now 11 square is 121, 12 square 144. Now 11 twos are 22. So 22 numbers are there between 121 and 144, and all are natural number but non-perfect square. 22 numbers are there but it is non-perfect square. Clear or not? So it is easy. Now try it yourself. Question number 2. You have to do it yourself. Now one more trick. Adding odd number we can get perfect square. Adding odd number we can get perfect. If I will, so 1 is odd number, so 1 square is 1. Now how many numbers are there? 1 and 3. 2 numbers are there. Here it is 2 number. So 2 square is 4. 1 and 2. 1 plus 3, that is 4. It is 2 square. 4 is what? 2 square. So if you will see that 4 is equal to 2 square. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5, how many numbers are there? 3. So I have to write 9. If I will add this, 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9. 9 is a square of 3. So it's a one type of trick. Now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 16. So it's square of 4. How many numbers are there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you will total it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square 25. So it is 25. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square 36. So sum of first and odd number is n square. Sum of first and odd number. First and odd number. Now if you will go further, then one more we are trying. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So if I will add 36 plus 13, then it is 49. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 square. So it's a one type of trick. So you have to remember it. Chalo. Find whether which of the following is a perfect square or not. So it is easy. 220, 121, 81, 41. All other are not. Why? Because you need 55 and 69. Now, sum of consecutive natural number. 3 square is 9. So we can say 4 plus 5. 5 square 25. 12 plus 13. 7 square 49. 24 plus 25. So it's a triplet. We can say it's a triplet. So if I want to go now, so 9 square, the 81, 40 plus 41, 11 square, 121, 60 plus 61, 15 square, 225, 11 plus. Now if we will see properly at here, the formula is that first number, 3 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1 divided by 2 and 3 square plus 1 divided by 2. First number is what? 3 square. So 3 square is 9, 9 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 3 square plus 1, so if I want to do, if you will see 9, I am explaining this sum, example. So 9 square is 81, 81 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 40. 81 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 41. So that way we can try. Now we are trying this. Express 21. So 21 square. 21 square is equal to 441. So 441 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 220, and 441 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 221. So I have to write 220 plus 221 is equal to 21 square. So I am explaining first. Now you have to do it yourself. 13 square, 11 square and 19 square, like that. Am I already explaining? Again I am explaining. 21 is there here, 21 square. So first of all I have to write 21 square is equal to 441. Now I have to what? I have to find first sum, that is 441 minus 1 divided by 2, 220. 441 plus divided by 2, 221. Now product of two consecutive even or odd number. So 11 into 13, both are odd number. So 143. So between 11 and 13, which number is there? 12. So 12 square minus 1. Now 11 and 13 square, how we can find out again? 12 minus 1, 12 plus 1. Again 11 and 13, 12 minus 1, 12 plus 1, 12 square minus 1. So between this, now if we will discuss 13 into 15, product of it. So between it, which number is 14? So I have to write 14 plus 1 and 14 minus 1. So 14 square minus 1, that is 196 minus 1, that is 195. So your answer is 195. Sorry, your answer is 195. Answer is 195. Again I am explaining 195. What the concept is? Product of two consecutive even or odd integers. Here it is odd. So between this 11 and 13, which number is there? 12. So 12 minus 1, 12 plus 1. So 12 square minus 1 square. 12 square 144 minus 1, that is 143. So if you don't know how to multiply 11 multiply by 13, you can do it by another method. That is a one way to multiply it. So we can do it all ourselves. Now we can get answer of each. We can get the answer of each. Now we will see that we have to give the answer of each. So here it is 196 minus 1, that is 195. Here 900 minus 1, that is 899. Here 2025 minus 1, so 2024. So formula is what? A plus 1, A minus 1 is equal to A square minus. It should be remember anyhow. Any general formula A plus 1. So if I will ask to you, okay, find out the multiplication of 17 and 19. Then don't multiply it. Just you have to write 18 plus 1, 18 minus 1. Now 18 square you have to remember it, 324 minus 1, that is 323. You can get answer 323. So these are all the important pattern related the square and square root. It should be asked in government exam. Government exam जहाँ जहाँ पर रहते हैं वहाँ पे इस टाइप के सम्स रहते हैं. Now it's again one type of trick, some pattern. So 1 square 1, 11 square. So what I have to write 1 2 1. So 1 2 1. Now triple 1 square, then 1 2 3, because here 3 digits are there. So 1 2 3. Here it is increasing, and again here it is decreasing, 3 to 1. How many numbers are there again? 3 numbers are there. So what I have to write? 1 2 3, and again decrease, 3 2 1. Now 1 2 3 4. So I have to write 1 2 3 4. Again decreasing, 3 2 1. That way you have to write. So these are all the pattern. Write the square of the making use of the above. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what I have to write? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 4 3 2 1. So these are all the concept related. Now important exercise start. So first question. What will the unit digit of the square of the following? So now 81 square. So always unit digit is 1. So answer is always unit place is 1. Here 272. Question is 272. So 2 square unit is 4. 799 square. So 9 square is 81. So unit place is 1. 3853 square. So 3 square 9. So unit place is 9. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 square. 4 square is 16. So unit place is 6. That way you have to answer it. Which are the not perfect square? So if you will see properly, unit place is either 1, either 4, either 9, either 6. Now here some question, here it is 5 5 5. His square unit place is 5. Here it is 6. Unit place 6 square is 36. Unit place is 6. If here is 0, then 2 zeros are there. Then we can say it is a perfect square. 8 square 64. So unit place is 4. But if you will see all are, there is no 3 in unit place. 3 is not in unit place. 7 is not in unit place. 8 is not in unit place. If you will see properly, here 3 is not in unit place. If you will see, only 4 is there, 1 is there, 9 is there, 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there. But 3, 7 and 8, they are not in a unit place. 1 is there. So 1 to 9, 9 is also there, but 3, 7, 8 not is. Now following number are obviously not a perfect square. How we can say it is not a perfect square? Because here it is 7, so we can say no. Here it is 3, we can say no. Here it is 8, we can say no. Here it is 2. Sorry, here 2 is also there. So here it is 2, we can say not a perfect square. Here it is 3 0. If 2 0 is there, then we can say. So always remember following number obviously not a perfect square? Give reason. All are not perfect square, but give reason. So 7 is not a unit place of any number square. 3 is not a perfect square of any, not a perfect square, because here 2, 3 and 2, 3, 7 and 8. Here it is 2, 3, 0 is there. Again here it is 3, 0. And here it is 1, 0. If 0 are there, either it should be 2 or 4. So exercise 6.1, question number 1 and 2. The square of the following would be odd number. Square of the which of the following should be odd number? Okay. So you fill up yourself. Fourth, you have to see that how much timing we are going it. Okay. So one more sum. How many sums are there? Okay, these are all the pattern sum. So we can do it easily. 1 to 1, then 1 to 1. 1 0 1 to 1 0 2 0 1. 1 0 0 2 0 1. Then how I have to write? How many zeros I have to write? 1. If you will see, when 2 0 1 0 1 0 2 0 2 0. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So I have to write 4 0. And then 2 again 4 0. So this is a pattern. You have to do it yourself. Okay, this pattern is important now. That is, we have to. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 square. Now, how many numbers are there? Again, 2, 3 and 6. After 6, which number is there? 7. So we have to write 7 square. 3 square, 4 square, 12 square. Which number is there? 13. So now 4 square, 5 square. Again, if you will see, 3, here 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 3, that is 6. 3 into 4, that is 12. So 4 into 5, that is 20. So what I have to write at here? 20. Now again, 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. So 30 square. 6 7 are 6 7 are 42. So 42 afterward 43. So it is sufficient today. That's you have to first complete your fair book and then try to do this exercise 6.1 in your fair book. But important thing is you have to write again 1 to 25 square daily in your homework book.